Hi everyone. The dish that we're going to make today is by quite a distance my absolutely favorite non-veg dish, Kosha Mangsho. The name itself brings a smile to my face. Now, Kosha Mangsho is nothing but mutton made the Bengali way. I have lived in Bengal for 4 years, but ever since till recently, the only time I used to have Kosha Mangsho was during Durga Puja days. Recently, I decided to try it at home, and ever since, it has become a fortnightly, if not weekly affair by popular demand. Now, the ingredients are quite simple. The recipe, of course, is unique, but the taste that comes out is absolutely out of the world. চলো এবার আমরা দেখি আমার সব থেকে ফেভারিট ননভেজ ডিশ কষা মাংস. Okay, so let us start by taking a look at what goes into the marinade, and then we'll marinate our mutton. So we've had a look at the ingredients. Now we'll mix our dry masalas, powders, cumin powder, dhania powder, and the chili powder. And in this, we will mix a little more than half a cup of water, and we'll mix it well. So this is a mix of our dry masalas that we will use. We have heated this mustard oil in this pan. And we'll stir it for around a minute before we add our onions. So now it's time to add our onions. So we'll saute these onions for about 3-4 minutes till they turn brown. So to this we are also adding 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. So the sugar helps in caramelizing these onions. Our onions have caramelized, and to this we will add ginger garlic paste. We will saute this for another 2-3 minutes before we add our liquid masala that we made. So now it is time to add our masala mix. So once we see this oil separating, you can see that oil separating. Now is the time to add our mutton. We are adding the mutton along with the marinade. So we have added all our mutton and marinade, and we are going to cook it for some time on high heat. So we can see that the water has almost dried up. What I am doing now is adding 3 tablespoons of curd. Slow cooking, this whole process goes on for about 2.5 hours. So along with the curd, I am also adding 1 teaspoon of salt now. So the only salt that we've added till now was in the marinade. So now at this stage I'll add around 3/4 of a cup of water. I'll stir it, and we will cover it now for 10-15 minutes on slow heat. So I'm removing the lid now. So what we need to do is, see, we'll stir it and also scrape these bits from the bottom and mix them into the gravy. So these bits that we scrape from the bottom are what that give the very dark brown, almost blackish color that we see in the Kosha Mangsho. And now we repeat the process of adding more than half a cup of water. Stir it well. And cover it with the lid, keeping it on low heat for another 15 minutes. I am opening the lid now for the second time. Again we do the same thing. We remove, scrape these bits at the bottom, and this time I am also adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala, mix it well. The color is gradually turning more and more brown. based on the beautiful aroma that has spread in the room of Kosha Mangsho. If I close my eyes now, I can easily imagine myself to be sitting in a Bengali home in Kolkata. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Do subscribe to the channel